Sunday drive to one of these dams close by. 2-hour drive. So that's the plan anyway. I've got this camera. I have some GoPro DSLR. There's a film camera there just in case. We've got food. We've got coffee. Yeah, I think now we just have to leave essentially.
Can we now?
Let's. So we are here now.
Yeah.
This is the Manchanabele Dam. Quite close to the road. Okay, back to the car. Map, it still shows 7 minutes away. So now let's go to that spot.
They also.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's crazy.
Stopped at a random place. I'm just.
Yeah, look at the stickers.
Yeah.
Need to go there. Freaking seatbelt activity. As an idiot kid.
Let's check out the thing from here once.
What?
Like we'll walk up to the water side and see a little bit. Of course, there'll be a lot of people bathing also, but let's try it. Okay. Let's go. That definitely makes a good photo. So the DSLR gave up on me. We're trying to find a vantage point. Wondering whether to take this trail or go up here. Okay, we're going up here. Yeah, so this is, I think, about what, 50 kilometers away from Bangalore? Maybe more.
A bit more.
Yeah.
70, I think.
Yeah, so it took us 2 hours to get here. Roads weren't the best, but they weren't horrible either. I think this leads to a temple upstairs. You want to cross and go up onto that?
You go?
Okay, I'm somewhere upstairs. This is the view. There's like pumpkins growing here. Okay, I'm gonna come back down. Okay. Barely made it. Barely. garbage. I'm going to go back down to the water and we'll check back in. Back in the car. It's quite hot outside. We decided not to go into the water because it's more of a puddle. Should we go?
Yes,
We came from there. This is quite a nice spot. That's the dam right there. And this is the road that will take us back up. Yeah, so that's what it is. Now we'll see if we find some cool spots to take more videos like this one. This is our lunch view. There's some dhaba type thing here where people are eating and drinking. But I think we're just gonna stick to eating. Okay, so finished lunch. Now we drove up a little bit more. We're trying to check out this spot. I think I can see some tents. I can see some people walking all the way there. Is burning and ruining the bloody view. I wonder what they're burning there. Now where? Yeah.
like in the sense of zero contact with
Anyone?
yeah. And still everyone having a decent time because you're totally in this huge open space.
I know. No, it's really good. What's up?
Like this time where you
So now we did our little hike. I think now we're probably going to head back, but might stop on the way if we find good views again. But all in all, successful, I think.
yeah.
Yeah. So, let's go. back. All the cards, well, most of the cards are full. All the batteries are dead except for this one. So just a quick update. Right now we are just outside Bangalore. It's showing about 1 hour to home. And yeah, pretty successful day. Now there is just all this traffic. Yeah, so just trying to get home.
You just heard Doja Cat.